Okay, these are my fish. I have named them Bart and Lisa because they fight all the time. As you can see, the one in the little cave thing is trying to get to the other one for whatever reason. It's just like pushing them, poking them. And I think that's the one that's pushing is Bart. The one that's just sitting there is Lisa. Eventually, she's gonna kind of snap on him a little bit. But she might be being shy because she knows I'm recording. Just like brothers, just irritating. Yeah, she's not moving. She's not trying to hear that. She's hiding. A little camera shy. He keeps going. They don't hurt each other. Their teeth are too far away to really bite each other, so don't have to worry about that.